good view. All right, me and my old big brother here, we are going to do some, hold on a second. Oh, geez. Okay. Woo. All right, we're going to do some coyote hunting. Oh, I got some snackies and a camera. Uh-oh. Oh. Let me go get a...
No, come on.
I'll be right back. Just hang on. He's a bit excited. As y'all can see, it snowed, and this is Louisiana, so it doesn't really snow much around here. So when we get it, it like hypes us all up, you know. We're like, hey, let's go coyote hunting. Let's go do something, you know. And now I'm in here looking for something I can prop my gun up on. I'll just use one of these. Alrighty. Let's go. See if we can kill us a coyote. Look, there they go. Alright. Our destination is this pasture right here in front of us. We got the old sniper bin over here. Alright. We're gonna set up right there. Well, hell, I'll just show y'all when we get there. Say hi to the camera, it's recording. What's up? Alright, come here. Ben's got his AR. Let's go back a little bit because it's right there close. AR. He'll be using that to finish him off if
5.56.
I don't get a good kill shot. I have a Browning X-Bolt 30-06 bolt action. Sighted in, zeroed in at about 100 yards, 150. So, here's to hoping we kill one. Ben over there calling. Send one out, Ben. Alright. Doubt y'all can see it out there, but got the little, I don't even know what that thing's called. What is it called, Ben? Electric dying rabbit tail, whatever you want to call it. 20 minutes into the hunt, no, about 30, 35 minutes into the hunt, we haven't seen much. Ben's been calling about every 5 minutes. That's what we're dealing with, just open pasture. I don't know if you can see it, but our little electronic rabbit's out there. But, pick it back up here in a few minutes. Hopefully we'll see one by the end of the day. Ben's doing some more calling because we just heard some barking, or some, not really barking, but more like, well, like howling like a coyote does. So we're gonna keep trying to call one in, and hopefully we can get one, well, by the end of the hunt. So y'all wish us luck. We'll pick it up here in a few. About 2 hours has passed. We've seen nothing, and my brother, he's getting a little cold, so he couldn't take the cold. He's going back to get the call. I'm walking back to the truck. No coyotes today, unless we see one on the way back out. But that's okay. Sometimes you go hunting and see something. Sometimes you go and you see nothing. So yeah, it's gonna be a short video, obviously, but hey, maybe some of you can learn how to, you know, call a distressed rabbit call from my brother, who thinks he's the most amazing caller ever. Anyway, sorry we didn't kill nothing. We'll be coming back out in a few days once all this snow is melted, and by then hopefully I'll have my AR sighted in so I could use it instead of that Browning X-Bolt. And whew. Anyway, we got major plans for the channel. The co-captain, I guess you could say, of the channel, Luke. Me and him will be getting together and doing an intro to the channel. Be telling you what we're all about, what kind of videos we'll post, where we live, what we do, all that kind of stuff. Just, you know, what we're about, what the channel's about, all that good stuff. So yeah, be looking forward to that video. I'm gonna hopefully have this video posted by the end of the week. I'm not fast with editing, so gotta forgive me. Anyway, and then we'll try to do that video, the intro, next week, and have it posted by the end of that week. So yeah, till then, thanks for watching. Y'all stay safe out there.